So in my last video about video resumes, I spoke about their importance and how they came into play post-pandemic. Now when you're starting to make your video resume, it'll be a little nerve-wracking and hesitance and etc. because people are used to making reels, but they never thought they'll be making a resume in the form of a video. I'll talk about a couple of tips that you should do when you're making your first video resume. Always write a script first. That script can be long, it's okay. The first dump of thoughts is always long, alright? Next, make that script very relevant, alright? Suppose, like I mentioned, if you meet someone and you just want to have like a basic introduction, you will always tell them where do you work, what kind of clients do you handle, where have you studied from, how much work experience you have. That's about it. Enough to keep it engaging. So when you're writing the script and making it relevant, you start shortening it as well. Think about the 3-paragraph rule I talked about in LinkedIn. Similar. Make it a 3-sentence rule. Introduction, how much work experience you have, brands you worked with, and to the point, where can we chat for a coffee and where can we meet. Next, make it professional. Alright, let's get to the execution. Once the script is ready and you're ready to shoot your video resume, your video resume is a professional thing, right? So do not wear like a regular torn t-shirt or something that is like a fashion influencer type kind of wardrobe. Keep it professional. Being professional never goes out of style. A plain shirt that is good to look at, ironed, is always good. Keep the backdrop blurred, or if it's a plain background, that's also better. It gives you a more professional vibe. Secondly, after that, share it with your friends, family, your mother, your father, anyone. Always pass the mom test. The mom test is basically if you can convince your mom or tell your mom what you're doing in less than 30 seconds. Once you get that feedback, combine all of these points along with it and your video resume will be ready. Alright? And trust me, whenever you end up making your video resume, make a couple of more versions, because once you start sending it out, you'll see the impact of it. So maybe if you want to get creative, where you've done a lot of graphic edits and like cars coming in and showing your creative side, you'll see more open rate. So make a couple of versions of your video resume before you streamline to one. Making multiple versions of your video resume is much easier than making multiple resumes of your regular textual resume. So I would definitely recommend make a couple of multiple, but start with one. Hope these tips were helpful, and please keep on watching us and subscribe our videos. Thank you for your support.